If you're experiencing issues with the Fortnite update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the Epic Games Launcher cache by navigating to the settings and selecting the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform PC, console, etc. is up to date. Sometimes system updates are required for games to function properly. Check your system settings for any pending updates and install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up any important data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of a stuck Fortnite update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.